My name's Kathy,
Jake?
and we live in Ocean View. I did research when I knew it was time to encapsulate the Crawlspace, and during my research, I learned a lot about DryZone and two other companies, and I chose DryZone. My husband likes to say it was a swimming pool down there, but it was very, very wet, and that was something that just had to be addressed. So as a result of that, we now have 2 sump pumps and a dehumidifier. Well, it was all good, so that was pleasant. They're very responsive, to come give you your quote, very thorough, and the presentation was excellent. They gave us the quote, what would happen, how it would happen. As I said, the presentation was thorough. We knew everything that was going to happen, and that's why we chose DryZone. The one thing I noticed was that the floor, we have all hardwoods throughout the whole house, so the floor seems warmer. Once in a great while, I would see just a little bit of what I thought was mold, on different areas, but that's gone. I feel more comfortable knowing that moisture and water isn't building and the opportunity for mold to grow, so it makes me more comfortable. They're the pros, they're the best, and they'll have a great experience. I researched, checked with other people who have DryZone. Our neighbors around the corner do, and they're very pleased. So we weren't really surprised. They're responsive, thorough, professional, conscientious. Call in to the office and everybody's ready to help you and make whatever arrangements need to be made. So it's been a great experience.
And the service people have been very personable, and you kind of felt when they left here that you trusted the work they did. If we had to do it over, we would
Do DryZone.
do DryZone.